Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunita. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make honey glazed cauliflower. It is a very yummy recipe. This goes well with chapatis, fried rice and even noodles. It is a very simple recipe and I'll give you the exact ingredients list in the description box below so that it would be easier for you to take a snapshot. Come on, let's get started. For any cauliflower recipe, the first step is to blanch it to remove any unwanted germs or worms in it. So for that, I have kept some water around 2 cups to boil. To it, I'm going to add salt as required and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And when it is hot, I'm going to add 1 cauliflower floret which I have cut into small pieces. We are going to blanch this on high flame for 1 minute. And now after a minute, I'm going to remove it from the water and drain the excess water using a tissue paper. And now let's get it ready to deep fry. So to this, I'm going to add salt as required and 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of chili powder, and mix all these well. You can also prepare it as a batter and then dip these cauliflower florets and then deep fry. Just sprinkle some water and mix it thoroughly. All the cauliflower florets should get coated well with the masala. And now I have deep fried the cauliflower. You can also air fry it. I'm sorry, I missed showing that to you. And now to a kadai, I have added around 1 teaspoon of oil, to which I have added 10 cloves of garlic which I have finely chopped and 1 onion finely chopped again. Saute this on high flame for just 1 minute. We still need the garlic and the onions to be crunchy in this recipe. Salt as required, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 2 teaspoons of tomato chili sauce. You can also replace this with 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce and 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons honey. Mix it well. And to bring the consistency that I want, I'm going to mix 1 teaspoon of corn flour to water and make it into a slurry. And I'm going to add it to the sauce. Mix it well. So this is the exact consistency. If you want it dry, you can avoid this step. And now to this, I'm going to add the deep fried cauliflower. Mix it well and cook this on high flame just for 40 to 50 seconds. And before you turn off flame, add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder to bring that spiciness, and if you have spring onions you can also add it. And now I'm going to serve this along with some steamed rice. This goes well with fried rice and noodles than steamed rice. So definitely give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.